Hello everyone, welcome to Stuck in Loops Crochets. In this tutorial, we will learn to crochet this sunflower hair clip. This is a quick and beginner friendly tutorial. So let's get started. This is the color palette that I am using for this project. 3mm crochet hook, scissor, stitch marker, clip. You can also add rubber band and hot glue. You can also use fabric glue, or you can skip this and sew the project instead of using this. So let's get started. We will start by making sepal. For that, make magic ring. So take your yarn, wrap it around your fingers like this. Now insert your hook and pull up a loop. Let go of your fingers and chain one. Yarn over and pull through this loop. Our magic ring is ready. Now we will work in this magic ring. We will make 6 single crochet in this. So insert your hook in the magic ring, pull up a loop. Now we have 2 loops in our hook. So yarn over and pull through the both loops. This is our first single crochet. We will make 5 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our round 1 is ready. Now pull this yarn tail to close the magic ring. Now we will work in round 2. For that, insert your hook in the first single crochet here. Like this. And pull up a loop and single crochet. Mark this first single crochet. Now make one more single crochet in the same stitch here. For round 2, we will make one single crochet increase in each stitch. This is our first single crochet increase. Now make 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 2. In the next stitch, make 2 more single crochet. At the end of this round, we should have 12 single crochet. One and 2. We have finished round 2. Now take off your stitch marker and slip stitch in the first stitch here. So insert your hook, pull up a loop and pull through this first loop. This is our slip stitch. Now cut off the excess yarn here with the help of scissor. So our sepal is ready. I have made one more in green color using the same pattern. We will attach these together here. Now we will add flower to this sepal. So make sure the wrong side of the sepal is facing each other like this. Now insert your hook in any of the loop here and in the green as well. So take your yellow yarn. And pull up a loop like this and chain 2, chain 1 and chain 2. Now make 1 double crochet in the same stitch here, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops in our hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops and chain 1. We will make 1 picot stitch here in this V stitch. So insert your hook in both the loops here and pull up a loop. Now make slip stitch. Again we will make 1 double crochet in the next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch of both the sepal and pull up a loop, double crochet, chain 2, 1 and 2, make slip stitch in the same stitch here. Our first petal is ready. Now we will repeat the same process, slip stitch in the next stitch, again chain 2, 1 and 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1 and picot, again 1 double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2, 1 and 2, slip stitch in the same stitch, this is our second petal, again slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1 and picot, one double crochet in the next stitch, chain 2 and slip stitch in the same stitch, slip stitch. Our third petal is ready. We will keep repeating this until the end. Make sure to hide this yarn tails under this sepal like this. Slip stitch in the next stitch here, chain 2, 1 double crochet, picot, 1 double crochet in the next stitch here, chain 2 and slip stitch in the same stitch. Slip stitch in the next stitch here, chain 2, double crochet, picot, and double crochet in the next stitch here, chain 2 and slip stitch in the same stitch. So our petal is ready. So make one slip stitch at the beginning of the first petal here, 1, make chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Now tie the knots here to secure the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Now weave the ends here. We will hide the yarn. Cut off the excess yarn. Now we will attach this flower. I am using hot glue for this. You can also skip this and attach it by sewing the project with needles. Our flower clip is ready. Our crochet sunflower clip is ready. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any query, feel free to comment down below. and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Until then, bye bye, happy crocheting.